vision is clean, bound to the ghost of a dead machine. The frequency is dead through a valley of light. It's shattering the skin at the edge of the sight. The circuits begin to burn in the light. The noise frustrates in, you swallow the night. Transparent noise. Clinical chaos, a polished mass, glass shards flying in the emptiness. Reach for the dial, touch the void in a world of noise that I can't avoid.